Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You can see right now my hair is like this. At the beginning of this video you will see that I actually just took down my protective style yesterday. I attempted to do the DIY knotless goddess box braids. That's like a tongue twister, I know. But yeah, so I did those as a protective style just so I didn't have to fool with my hair. And I had those in probably for like, I want to say a good three and a half weeks maybe. Yeah, so I'm going to be washing my hair, do a quick little wash day routine, and I'm also going to be blow drying my hair. It's just better for me that way instead of wearing it like this. So this is my hair with no product in it after I just co-wash my hair using my coconut co-wash. I hardly ever wash my hair most of the time. I co-wash my hair. I hardly ever wash my hair. I hardly ever shampoo my hair, y'all. I wash my hair, okay? Those of you who are new and do not know, I am texturized or Texlaxed. I've been doing it for a few years now. Go check out my video of why I started texturizing or texlaxing my hair after being natural for a few years. Yeah, my hair was kind of dry before even texturizing my hair. So it's definitely, I'm not gonna say it's the texturizer that causes dry hair. You know, you have to moisturize and take care of your hair before, and I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't the best at doing so. And I'm committed to trying to, you know, develop a routine and stick to that routine so I can see some growth and, you know, make sure my hair is nice, moisturized, taken care of. From these at Marshall's, it's the conditioner and the deep repair mask. This has been like a really holy grail for my hair, and I promise you, when it comes to moisture, this is probably going to be my favorite line. I don't know if I'll go to anything else. It's super thick, and that's the type of products that I need for the type of hair that I have, which I don't really know my hair type. I've said this a couple times before. I'm still kind of confused with the hair type that I have because I don't know. My hair is like weird. I have a lot of different hair types going on. I've always been confused because when you go and look up pictures online of hair types, like one picture will say this is 3B, but another picture will show a different curl pattern as a 3B or a 3A, 3C, 4B, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna say that I have type 4B hair. That's what I'm just gonna go with for now. But let me quit rambling and chit-chatting. I'm just going to be using this deep repair mask because I want to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so this wash day is going to be, I promise, so quick and so simple. I keep it very light. I only use around 2 to 3 products when it comes to my actual wash day routine. For me, you know, just the less the better. And I don't really feel like you need a whole lot of products. So after co-washing my hair, I'm just applying that Macadamia deep repair mask, making sure I'm evenly and thoroughly putting it on every strand. So I'm just taking my fingers and I'm detangling my hair, and then I'm also going to be using my dimming brush just to make sure I'm working all of that product through. So here is an up and close shot of my actual curl pattern or my texture of my hair. As y'all can see, my curls are so tight, which is why I do prefer to use a texturizer specifically for my roots, because I do not like for my roots to be this tightly coiled. It just makes it so much harder to manage. And regardless of however I'm wearing my hair, whether it's like this, blow dried, straightened, whatever, a texturizer just makes it so much easier to manage. So after working all of that product through, I'm just going to twist up both sides of my hair. I also like to add oil on top just so that can soak in and so my hair can be a little bit more hydrated. I am using the Dew Growth oil. And this is how much shedding I got, which is pretty normal for me. So I do not have any plastic caps, so I'm just going to use this little satin bonnet that I have. The main thing is I'm just wanting to let this product sit on my hair, and yeah, so we just wait. So I just let that sit on my hair for about 10 minutes and I rinsed all of that out, and that is it, you guys. That is all for my wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.